Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn OpenAI is providing the OpenAI DevDay in Bengaluru 2025. This is a build, connect and create. They are providing with this free ChatGPT Go for India. So before going to this, there is a disclaimer. So this content of this video and PDF is provided for the information purpose only. So go through the disclaimer. So there is the OpenAI DevDay in Bangalore, build, connect and create and free ChatGPT Go for India. There is a step-by-step process to join this one. So join the first ever the OpenAI Day Exchange in India happening in the Bangalore on November 4, 2025. This community focus of the event on design to the connect global developers, inspiring innovations and showcase the future of AI, ChatGPT and GPT-based development. So what to expect? So live demo of the latest ChatGPT and GPT-4 and 5 capability here from the local founders and AI inventor building bold ideas, hands-on help and collaborative co-working sessions. Learn how to develop worldwide are the shaping what's next and drop into the OpenAI demo booths and connect with the team and free chat GPT Go access for the Indian users. This is a limited period offer. So global event dates are there. There is a on 16th already closed and London on 21st already closed. So Bangalore is the open on the 4th of November 2025. So event are held on the afternoon and exact location shared in the closer to the date. So whether you want to spark new ideas, trade knowledge and explore new tools, DevDay Exchange on your place to build, connect and create. So register this one. So there is a two options are there. All the details are there. So if you receive an innovation invitation, please register below. You can register with this. If you don't have received an invitation, so please apply to attend. So I didn't get any invitation, so I'll go through this one. Apply. So your first name, last name, email address. So first name, last name, email address, company, and location in Bangalore, India, and submit. So thanks for applying. Confirm attendees will receive event detail on via email closer to the event date. So in this video, we have learned OpenAI DevDay Bengaluru 2025 is going to be held on going to happen on November 4th. So step by step process I have shown you. So social links are there. You can follow me on the social links. WhatsApp group and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends, colleague, and help them to certify too. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Thank you.